Simple and small changes to your daily routine can help you slim down without dieting. Making healthy choices, like eating healthy foods and moving every day, is the first step to dropping the pounds and feeling energized. A little planning can keep you ahead for a healthy lifestyle. You really don't need to overhaul your entire eating routine or live at the gym. Today, we will share an amazing recipe that will not only help you to lose weight, but keep you energized and healthy too. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. Pineapple water for weight loss. Healthy choices. Adding pineapple water to your daily diet will help you stimulate your body's natural detoxifying process, give a good boost to your immune system, as well as promote weight loss. This detox water is rich in bromelain, antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin K, beta-carotene, and fiber. This drink is a convenient way to consume more necessary vitamins, enzymes, and minerals that promote a balanced diet. Also, it's refreshing, sweet, and easy to make. How to make pineapple water. Remove the skin and chop the pineapple into chunks. Pour 1 liter of water into a pot, add the pineapple and bring to the boil. Add a cinnamon stick in it. Boil for around 10 minutes. Then leave it to cool. Remove the cinnamon stick. You can sweeten it with a little stevia if you wish, but never add sugar. Now place it in a can and store in the refrigerator so that it becomes nice and cold and ready to drink. To lose weight, drinking 2 glasses a day is recommended. Try this and stay fit and healthy. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.